Hey, Chuck, how'd you like to lend a hand with the Pelicans? No, not feed them. The Pelicans is the name of my baseball team. We really need someone like you, Chuck.
But what about my own team? It would break their hearts if I left them.
It would?
All right, Chuck. I see you made it.
I'm glad you asked me. Guess you need a good pitcher, huh? Infielder? Catcher? What's left? Good grief.
All the big league teams have mascots. Flap your wings and dance around. The fans like lots of action.
You have fans?
And when one of us hits a home run, we want you to jump up and down, turn somersaults, and go crazy.
You hit home runs?
Mm-hmm. We really need something special for opening day. I wonder if we could drop you from a helicopter.